the unemployment issue in the maritime industry. The maritime industry plays a crucial role in the global trade and transportation. Yet, it is plagued by a significant unemployment issue that has a far-reaching consequence. This is a critic seeks to examine the silent points related to the unemployment problem in the maritime industry and provide a critical analysis of the factors contributing to this issue. One of the key factors contributing to unemployment in the maritime industry is the cyclical nature of the shipping market. Fluctuation in a global demand for goods can lead to periods of oversupply of vessels, resulting in layoffs and reduced job opportunities for maritime workers. The industry is also highly competitive, with shipping companies constantly seeking to cut costs and increase efficiencies, which can lead to downsizing and job losses. Additionally, the rise of automation and digitalization in the maritime sector has further exacerbated the unemployment issue. Advances in the technology have led to increased efficiency and reduced manpower requirements, resulting in the displacement of traditional maritime routes. While automation can improve safety and productivity, it also comes at the cost of human jobs. Another significant factor contributing to unemployment in the maritime industry is the prevalence of flag of convenience registers, or FOC. Vessels are registered in countries with lax labor and laws and regulation, allowing shipping companies to exploit cheap labor and avoid paying fair wage. This practice not only undermines job security for maritime workers but also contributes to a race to the bottom in terms of working condition and wages. In conclusion, the unemployment issue in the maritime industry is a complex problem with multiple contributing factors. Addressing this issue will require a combination of regulatory reforms, industry collaboration, and investment in training and education for maritime workers. It is it is a crucial of stakeholders in the maritime sector to prioritize the welfare of workers and strive towards creating a sustainable and fair employment environment.